For decades, launching a digital business required one resource above all else: time. Building a product meant battling technical friction for weeks, if not months. That timeline has collapsed. Tasks that used to require a team of coders and heavy technical lifting can now be processed by artificial intelligence in a matter of minutes. To capitalize on this compressed timeline, you need a precise set of instructions. That's exactly what the Side Hustle to Real Income Blueprint provides. The methodology inside isn't based on theory. It's built on 30 years of tested online business architecture, developed by Worldprofit co-founders Sandy Hunter and George Koch. The objective here is straightforward. Take someone with zero background in online sales and guide them step by step toward owning a completed revenue-generating digital asset. You don't need a background in programming or design. You only need the discipline to follow the steps in the sequence they are laid out. A functional architectural map has replaced coding expertise as the primary requirement for digital success. Step 1 is getting that map into your hands. We start at the Worldprofit Access Portal. You will see a secure opt-in form. Just enter your name and email address and click the button to request your free copy. The system routes your instant access link directly to the inbox you provide. If you enter a fake email, the delivery fails, so double-check your spelling before submitting. The download is completely free. You will not be asked for a credit card, and there are no hidden checkout screens to navigate. Once you open the blueprint, scroll past the introduction and jump straight into the chapter on digital product creation. Reviewing this section before opening any software prevents you from staring at a blank screen. The blueprint acts as a filter, taking your scattered ideas and organizing them so the AI knows exactly what to do. Whether you want to build a short ebook or a branded digital tool, the structural rules are laid out here. Think of the blueprint as a translation layer. It converts your raw intent into structured instructions that a machine can execute. With the strategy internalized, it is time to open your execution environment, the AI Sophia interface. If you just type a vague idea into the chat, you will get a generic, unusable response. To get a market-ready asset, you have to feed the AI the exact commands provided in the blueprint. We start by pasting one of those structured commands directly into the prompt box. This specific instruction tells Sophia to generate a comprehensive outline for our new ebook. The moment you hit enter, Sophia parses the variables in your command. Instead of spending days researching structure, the engine processes the heavy lifting instantly. Within seconds, you have a complete, logically structured outline, broken down into distinct chapters and subsections. This output proves the math we discussed earlier. The architectural work that traditionally consumed a full week of labor has been compressed into a fraction of a minute. AI Sophia functions as a high-speed structural compiler, taking your initial thoughts and organizing them so they are ready for the market. Now that we have a solid skeleton, we shift our focus to synthesizing the full body of content. We take each section of the outline one by one and command Sophia to expand those specific bullet points into fully realized paragraphs. The AI systematically builds out the content, locking each new chapter into the structure provided by the outline until the entire text corpus is complete. Next, you extract this raw text from the chat interface and drop it into a standard branded digital template. The final step before publishing is a thorough editorial review. You must read through the document to verify the facts and ensure the tone aligns perfectly with your brand. Pairing the rapid generation of an AI engine with precise human oversight results in a definitive, market-ready digital asset. Look at the distance we have covered in just a few steps. You started with an empty page and an unformed idea. Now you hold a fully realized, heavily formatted digital product ready for distribution. This acceleration is possible because we paired the precise methodology of the Worldprofit blueprint with the processing power of AI Sophia. To run this process for yourself, click the link provided, enter your email into the portal, and initiate your own generation process. Once you have the instructions, you can begin generating your own products, building an inventory that produces real online income. The required tools and the strategic knowledge to use them are now entirely accessible. The technical barriers that used to stop new entrepreneurs have been dismantled for anyone willing to execute the blueprint.